If I'm free to leave my
Yes, but let me talk. Just give me a call.
Give me a call, book it in. Well, you know, Counselor, I'm not able to come visit anymore. The courts have ruled that I'm not allowed to go to your office without a...
Give me an order, and
As a matter of fact, we've both been verified. Put a specific exception for your office.
Yeah, I'm live. Oh, no, I'm snitch.
Yes, I saw your name on there.
Very nice to meet you. Hey, Brian. Very nice to meet you.
This is Brian Loma.
Oh, hey.
Yes.
I heard some people calling Brian earlier.
Okay, yes.
Hey, good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Nice to meet you. I'm going to keep my grade in this direction. All right.
Let's keep them sliding down, huh? Dad? Of course, because it's a proud moment when your son's arguing in the Supreme Court. It's fantastic. I believe this is the infamous Beth McCain who made her career on jury nullification. Did you not?
I didn't take my career off.
Well, it was a big part of your...
I had a case once.
a case once. It was a big part of your career, though, we understand.
I wouldn't say a big part. It was when I was in law school.
Oh, okay.
So, interesting though.
So how do you feel arguing on the other end these days?
Well, I believe that if the district attorney would commence filing criminal charges against that case, I shall do.
I filed, I don't know if you know, but I filed against two different cases. One of them has already been.
Yeah.
And I have another one pending.
Well, honey, I have a whole list for you.
A large list.
I'm sure you do. I'm sure you'll be happy to send it to me. So.
Well, I was hoping that a trial would go last week that would have given me just one such list. But it's been postponed for another couple of months.
Is that your trial for the city attorney?
That was one of my trials with the city attorney, yes.
All right.
All right.
What happens?
We'll see what happens.
Excuse us. No, excuse us.
Is Eric always still a courtroom like that?
Oh, yes. If you don't understand, it's been the Mecca. We have had no less than 20 auditors from around the country visit in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, there's a bunch of them here.
Yeah, I went to Janet's yesterday.
I guess that's about it.
Yeah.
See you guys later.
We'll see you, Andy. What I really appreciated also was when we were following these women off the elevator, and she says, "And now this is the money shot," and it was the captain of two beautiful women who said that. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Oh, let's go offline for a second when we're giving out phone numbers live on. We got to remember to be cautious about that, right? We're sharing numbers and things. So, oops, let me go away from that.
That's the plus.
So here's some more beautiful artwork. This building. Look down. Oh, you want us to look down? Okay. We'll go down. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? So I like this though because they basically likened like our effort to like any type of protest in any way, shape, or form outside the courts, and the government is saying you can't protest at the courts, right? So I found it interesting.
This is a DA, actually.
I know, right? So that's the paramount
That it
too.
was kind of a protected place that you can do. It was a tradition.
It's a form. It's exactly what they're using.
I missed most of the DA's presentation except for the end.
It's online on the
Yeah, no, I
Supreme
know
Court
that.
website. We'll get there.
I know that.
The essence of it is that they insist that
No, I understand.
if you are...
I don't need it recapitulated.
Oh, okay.
I'm wondering whether or not I'm wondering about how he was questioned by the court. But
Well, again, that'll be on the video. And they did question him
My
extensively.
concern is that our side, Lane, does not. We aren't concerned about constitutionality. That's already been plugged.
Well, and so
They are-
again,
they
the point
are
in question
concerned.
were
If you listen
two
to the
specific
questions-
points.
If you listen to the questions directed at
Yes.
both McNulty
Yes.
and the ACLU's attorney, they almost all of them turn on the issue of summoned jurors. It is quite clear that the court is anxious to preserve Colorado's statutory language. No, the argument McNulty it impugned
Yes.
the Constitution.
Whether they had already gone through voir dire or not, whether they were in the gallery or not. That was the specific that the government is saying all jurors versus who's been assigned this case.
My point is that I'm afraid that there is an indication that they will do what the DA wanted with regard
Yes.
because the issue of with regard to the issue of summoned jurors.
Yes, that is the issue, is whether all summoned jurors are now going to be off duty.
Particular case issue and other critical issue operating in this case is whether or not particular cases that's by far the most
Yes, but
that's more important. It's much more important.
okay. So anyway, guys, this is the view of the Capitol. Right? This is the green roof that they have here. Very full of flowers. It's very gorgeous. I'm not trying to argue case law with Robert Chase right now. And he's going to repeat his point on case law 6 or 7 times in a row till that is cleared. So we are no longer needed here. We can go at any time. Our lawyers have left.
Well, I asked my lawyer. He said that I was free to leave, and I asked him if that
It means you're free to stay.
stay, and he said
Yes.
yes.
So we need to go downstairs to the Museum of Justice.
When's our meeting with Furman?
It's been canceled. Yes, he canceled it this morning by due to unforeseen circumstances, and we can write an email to Furman if we want to address our concerns.
He canceled it?
Yeah,
Good. So let's reschedule it then.
yeah. But I want to take a tour of the museum downstairs, and that's probably where I'm going to take my live stream at this point.
All right.
It's great. I was there earlier. I tried that action.
His rejoinder. It's his position.
So yes, folks, we're gonna go to the museum downstairs. Huh? Maybe he went to the bathroom. I don't really know. Spinning around. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. There's a nice museum tour we want to take. And note how we're recording in the hallways of the courts, and there's no problem with that. Right? Oh, there it is. That's the money shot, as she said. So the court will not decide the case today. They will take it under advisement, and they will issue a decision sometime in the next 90 to 120 days, in most likeliness. It's beautiful, though, huh? It's a gorgeous space. I am going to take the tour downstairs.
We're gonna elevator to my.
It's the real Michael Whitman. So I'm going to go to the museum tour. There's a nice little thing downstairs on the first floor. It's beautiful. It's got in 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
So you did know where you went?
I just realized that. So yeah, guys, we just got done with the Supreme Court hearing,
Let's go to his car.
and they heard the arguments on all this stuff for jury nullification, jury tampering, whether that's an issue. Now, you see this here? There's a Judicial Learning Center. This place is amazing. It's got interactive displays, all kinds of stuff. So we're coming back here in a few. So we're gonna just put pause for a second. Excuse me. Unmute the microphone. Let's disable the flash. Let's turn it around. This is a amazing place that we have to come back to. We have to come back to this museum. It is amazing. And it's got games. It's got interactive, right? You can touch the handcuffs and then felonies will come up. Oh my gosh, it's
District Attorney
fun.
accuses Tiffany Hamilton of felony theft. The criminal case is heard in the district court, and Tiffany is found guilty. Tiffany can appeal the district. A panel of 3 judges from the Court of Appeals reviews the case. The Court of Appeals upholds the district court's ruling. Tiffany may ask the Colorado Supreme Court to review her case. The Colorado Supreme Court typically grants fewer than 10% of requests for it.
Yes.
The Colorado Supreme Court grants Tiffany's request for further review and upholds the ruling of the Court of Appeals. If this case
See, it's interactive and it's
when
fun.
the U.S. Supreme Court chooses to review
We gotta come back to this another day. This place is amazing.
So we could very easily just enact it and flip the toggle for closed captioning, even be grotesque.
There's a movie.
Ever stop to think about freedom? Your freedom to work, go to school, worship, run a business, speak your mind? Maybe not. It's easy to take these things for granted. Our freedom is protected by our country's commitment to the rule of
Yeah, we're leaving, guys. We got too many things to do. But I want to come back to this place. So we're going to talk to Drew in the future and schedule it at the Judicial Learning Center. Oh, it's the infamous Mayor Grant. Who would have known? So this is the Judicial Learning Center. We need to come back and do its own day of
Yeah,
fun.
Frost has spoken very highly of this.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So Janet, are you looking for the... Okay.
Brian, hurry, she's going to the bathroom, catch up.
It's that way.
The bathroom's that way?
Yeah, in the law library.
So we are going outside for a cigarette.
No, there's a bathroom in the Judicial Learning Center.
The ACLU is concerned about the issue of particular cases. McNulty raised both issues. Are they going to remand it on the basis of summoned jurors and leave particular cases completely out? That's not necessarily a good outcome.
No, and it's better to leave some jurors out of it and only and only leave it on the vote, which is what they insisted upon.
All the questions I heard from the court were about that
Yes,
specific issue.
exactly. So we'll just have to see what happens.
Does not bode well.
So, yeah, well, we gotta get a pot, a gimbal, right? That's one of the problems here, guys. Here, I thought it was Happy Fucking Cops Day. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen. Is that the real Johnny 5
It's a body double.
It's a body double. Hey, Lady Zonga says it's the Robert Chase show is on. The show within the show. Where's Robert Chase? It's his show now. Lady Zonga says it's the show within the show. It's the Robert Chase show.
Yes, I am concerned based on the questions of the court regarding the issue of summoned jurors. They are very concerned to preserve the state statute, which makes reference, includes summoned jurors together with actual jurors. All their questions that I heard concerned that issue. So I'm afraid that because McNulty raised that issue in his brief, because it was part of his case, I'm afraid that it may get remanded on that basis because the constitutionality of that was questioned, as opposed to the issue of particular cases, which is apparently much stronger. And
Johnny left.
it may not even be addressed.
Okay. Cool.
If that, I don't know if that's possible, but that would be a very bad outcome for the defendants. I should think.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It would be remanded to the
Can you read my screen?
I know I can read.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what it says. They don't care.
No, I don't care that they don't care.
Hey, Bruce. We gotta put some money on the meter.
Yeah, we do. I know it's that way.
It's funny.
It is. It's that way yonder, and we got about 10 minutes to get there or less. I believe the timer is at 3 minutes.
What is everybody doing?
So we gotta go put money on the meter. I don't think that Eric, who's in the washroom, has given us a group direction or decision and things, other than the
general get a cigarette.
general direction of Janet
We
and
got
Hall.
20 minutes on our meter.
Okay. And then, so Brant's the one that's coming out of the building next, and he'll be the general director. Abity,
Maybe we're
I'm going to go put money on his meter.
Let's go.
What are we doing after that? All right, can you hold this for a second? Because I think there's something else that needs to happen on the way to the meter.
Priorities.
Must having priorities in order.
The problem with Los Angeles is it has an ass cancer called Felipe Hemming. So that is.
All right, folks. Guess we gotta go. Thank you. Enjoy the day.
Phoenix, apparently Tucson.
Were you in there?
So no, I was outside here. So yeah, Felipe Hemming is the.
All right, so Johnny, there's the Brantmeister, but we gotta go put money on the meter.
Okay.
He just came out of the building. Everybody's like, Eric.
He seemed like he caught himself.
That's
there.
Karen Sidaro.
Kind of screwed up a couple little times.
Our friend Bruce.
Yeah, he did.
Of course, Robert Chase. It's a beautiful dog.
Eric's the star of more than one show, is what you're saying. There he is. There he is. Eric.
Hey!
And cut the plastic show. And
He's cut the plastique. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I guess they don't give him a happy fuck the cops day. Yeah, we got that on video, folks. John is taking hush money from Michael. Hi, but hey, we got a ticket to avoid. Eric and Karen Brandt. That's it's the lovely couple.
What's on the agenda today, Mr. 50?
It's hidden.
Okay, we gotta go pay a mitter. So if we don't know what it is, our agenda is voting a ticket.
Yeah, I'd like to leave with an ankle bracelet too. I want to make it the Holy Trinity.
Come to Colorado.
Hold on for a second.
Go on vacation, leave on probation.
We gotta go pay a meter.
I'll just send the ticket to the DA. I came in the Supreme Court today.
Very successful businessman. Start walking, we'll be right there.
Yeah, I am gonna start walking.
Trying to figure out what's going on because Janet went out the back door.
She did. She snuck away. Hello, how are you today? Good. This would be our good cross. So guys, if you want to follow the Eric Brandt Show, Johnny 5-0's up over there. A couple others running the chit chat. We're off to walk through the Denver food trucks. Maybe do a visual audit on the way through of I don't know what. Oh, I do know what. A visual audit of the green cycling, the composting stream, and all that jazz. Here we have the next silent set. Oh, he's not so silent. That's the Liberty Freak TV. Ladies and gentlemen, live on public television.
We're gonna get some silence, some power going on. No, I have a right to remain silent. I do not have
The abilities.
the ability to remain silent.
Isn't that a bitch?
We are here on the board. Is your Volkswagen coffee guy gonna be able?
I don't know.
Do I get to hit this one?
I don't know. Who you hitting? Are you? Is your wife a beater?
A lot of things.
Oh yeah. Johnny beats a lot of things. Oh, the lines are gonna be going full for that.
Roll it up, Sushi. What a great name. Roll it up.
Roll it up.
Do it up, Mr. Brand. Do it up. Do it up.
Hey, darling. So this is the food trucks, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays every week over the summer. Civic Center Eats, and the Civic Center Conservancy, which is the management group that oversees the park. You can do a lot of things. I didn't know they were selling shoes today. That's a new one. But they got generators on the food
I
trucks.
tell you what, they must have never had it stolen before, but the project let it out like that.
They're making personalized buttons. Oh, this is a Crocs day today. This isn't normal, I bet. But here's what I want to show you guys. This is the We've Gone Zero Waste that I was part of. Know before you throw. Nearly everything at Civic Center Eats is compostable. We do, and we're walking our way through the park. So I am very proud to have brought this here to you guys. And if you want Crocs, today's the day to buy them, I guess.
Come on in.
Yeah, I don't, I'm not a big fan of them personally, but
Everybody else is.
yeah, there you go. Yeah, I just don't own Crocs. It's not my thing. Oh, look at that birdie bird. Yeah. So this is Civic Center Eats. And look at this. This is how crazy this world is. Somebody just left their phone sitting here. I bet you it's those people. Hey! I just found a cell phone. Were you folks having some McDonald's by chance over here?
No, we're just having a coffee.
Oh no, somebody left their phone.
Oh, it's one of the people working here.
Possibly. But that's a bad spot to do it. So we're gonna do it quite simply like this. That's the McDonald's. We're gonna hang out at this spot right here and see if anybody walks up and says, hey, that's my McDonald's. All right, we're gonna take it to the booth over here, huh? Because we always do the right thing, and we just found a cell phone. Sorry, you got a lost left behind property, you know? So, I'm going up to, yeah. So this is the music location station. This guy's got a lot of harmonicas to play today. Mad Dog Blues.
Yeah, I got sad about that.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Somebody left this McDonald's on a table.
Okay.
And that might not be as important as the cell phone that was hanging out with it.
Oh, thank you.
And
I'm
since-
sure they'll come through and try to find it.
Yes, so if you leave the McDonald's out, they might find their cell phone.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Have a good day. Thank you. So guys, that's just another step of doing the next right thing. It's a lovely water bottle. You know they're supposed to have a
Thank you.
station out here to fill those up.
They do. Fortunately, this isn't water right now.
Oh, I know.
But I have water on my truck.
There you go.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah. And guys, see this? These are the compostable spoons and silverware that everybody's using now. This is a big deal. Really happy about that change. And here's plants and food being grown in the park. Yes, they are corn-based. And so all the composting, Bruce, is done in a hot compost or a bio-compost facility.
Accelerate the breakdown.
It's a hot, it accelerates the breakdown in a hot temperature setting. And they got the vendors basically sign the contract saying, if you want to do this, if you want to be here, then you got to have these supplies, right? So the vendors, like if they want to be part of Civic Center Eats, they got to have composting plates and silverware and all that fun stuff. So yeah, guys, that's the exciting little tour we've got going on here. All 18 of you on my channel and 300 on Liberty Freak TVs, right?
Yeah, I love you guys. I'm out of here.
Thank you. It's been a good day. Appreciate y'all being here. Go follow the Eric Brandt Show. Johnny 5-0 right now. Death or whatever his name is. Can't remember right now. There's so many things going on. It was good arguments in the Supreme Court today. Nobody went to jail. That's always a good thing. And we'll talk to you later.